Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. How to make the buttocks round and elastic. You've long dreamed of beautiful buttocks, but did not know what to do. In this article, we will share with you the most effective exercises and proven ways to strengthen the gluteal muscles and get rid of cellulite. Do you want your buttocks to become tight, rounded, elastic? Then read our article. Probably, every woman dreams of the ideal buttocks, beautiful, elastic and rounded. Therefore, most of us are interested in what exercises to strengthen the gluteal muscles will help us to achieve the desired form more quickly and efficiently. In this article we will give you some useful tips on what exercises will help you achieve the result and become a happy owner of tight, round and attractive buttocks without a hint of cellulite that will attract the attention of men and cause envy in women. Buttock muscle massage. If you are satisfied with the fullness of your buttocks, but you would like to slightly adjust their shape, for example, to make them more feminine and rounded, then first of all you should do a massage to prevent contraction, even if this advice surprises you. Because the muscles of the buttocks also tend to lose shape and elasticity against the background of stress and emotional experiences. To do this, we lay on our side and confidently massage the middle part of the buttocks until we feel pressure in the region of the ischium. If during a massage you experience discomfort or feel pain, do not stop the massage, just make the movement softer. For 5 minutes massage each buttock, after which you can go to other exercises to maintain muscle tone. Exercises for strong and elastic buttocks. If you want to find beautiful and elastic buttocks, take the habit of doing the following exercises on a daily basis, paying 5 minutes each. Squats. We put our feet to the width of the shoulders and bend our knees, as if we wanted to sit, while straining the gluteal muscles and paying attention to the fact that you need to keep your back straight and keep your knees together. During the exercise, stretch your arms out in front of you. From the sitting position we slowly return to the starting position, stand up in full growth and stretch our arms along the trunk. We repeat the exercise several times. On knees. We go down on all fours. For this we recommend you before laying on the floor a gym mat or something soft to prevent pain in the knees. The back represents a straight horizontal line parallel to the floor, the abdominal muscles are tense, hands firmly rest on the floor. If in this position you have a pain in your hands or back, try to change position and rest on the floor with your elbows. Now we take back the straight leg and within a minute we raise and lower it without touching it with the floor. We change the leg and repeat the exercise. Bridge. We lay down on the gym mat and face up, we spread our legs to the width of our shoulders, we stretch our arms along the trunk. Slowly tear the body from the floor, straining the muscles of the press and buttocks, so as not to cause pain. We lift the body as high as we can, then just as slowly fall to the floor and give the dorsal and gluteal muscles the opportunity to rest a little. We repeat the exercise several times. When you stand on your feet. Another great way to strengthen the muscles of the buttocks is to alternately strain and relax the muscles of one and the other buttocks while standing on their feet. This simple, but very effective exercise you can perform anywhere, including on the street, while waiting for a bus or a green traffic light, in an elevator or in a store, etc. Banks are the key to elastic buttocks. There is one simple way to strengthen the buttocks, which you can easily carry out at home without much effort. This technique will help us to improve the shape of the buttocks, strengthen the muscles and permanently get rid of cellulite. To do this, you need medical massage jars, which you can easily buy at the pharmacy. In addition, you will need massage oil, for example, olive, almond, sesame, or a moisturizing cream with a rather thick and greasy consistency. So, we put the cream or oil on the buttocks and with the help of a can, we start with light circular motions suck in the skin of the buttocks, thereby performing a tonic massage for at least 5 minutes. After this, repeat the procedure on the other buttock. Perhaps, after the procedure, The skin on the buttocks will turn red. Do not be scared, this is normal. If you repeat massage every day, you will see how quickly the skin of the buttocks will become firm, elastic. Exfoliate and moisturize. If you want your buttocks to attract admiring glances in the summer on the beach, remember that gymnastic exercises to strengthen the gluteal muscles are not enough to achieve the ideal result. In addition, you need to pay attention to the skin care of the buttocks, so that it looks fresh, healthy and beautiful. To do this, approximately every 10 days, the procedure for exfoliating dead cells during the time you take a shower. During a minute massage the buttocks with a washcloth with sea salt. After the procedure, whip the buttocks with cool water, because it will help strengthen and tone the skin. After you wipe yourself with a towel after the shower, apply a moisturizing cream based on natural ingredients to the skin of your buttocks. If you have the opportunity to buy coconut oil, then apply it. This is an even more reliable way to moisturize the skin of the buttocks and make it soft and tender. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.